Have you ever felt like you're constantly looking down at your phone, missing the world around you? What if I told you the next big tech revolution is happening right in front of your eyes? Literally, we're talking about smart glasses. And they're on the verge of changing everything we thought we knew about personal technology. For years, the smartphone has been our digital Swiss Army knife. It's our camera, our navigator, our communication hub, our entertainment device. You name it. But let's be honest, it's also a bit of a burden. We're always pulling it out, getting distracted by notifications, and living life through a small screen. Well, the future is looking up, and it's looking a lot more hands-free. Imagine this. You're walking down a new street, and directions appear as a subtle overlay in your vision, guiding you to your destination without you ever having to glance at a map. You get a message, and you can read and respond to it with just your voice, while keeping your hands free and your head up. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the reality that companies like Meta, with their Ray-Ban smart glasses, and other tech giants, are actively building. Early smart glasses were, let's say, a bit clunky. They were either too bulky, had terrible battery life, or just looked weird. But the latest generation is a whole different story. They're becoming sleeker, more stylish, and packed with increasingly powerful features. Take the latest Ray-Ban Meta glasses. You can take high-quality photos and videos from your own point of view, listen to music with open-ear audio, and even live stream directly to your social media. All of this is integrated into a frame that looks almost like regular glasses. The key here is the concept of ambient computing. It's the idea that technology should blend seamlessly into our environment, assisting us when we need it and disappearing when we don't. Your smartphone demands your full attention. Smart glasses, on the other hand, are designed to augment your reality, not replace it. You can interact with the digital world while still being fully present in the physical one. Now, we're not saying you should throw your smartphone away just yet. We're still in the early days. The current generation of smart glasses still relies heavily on a paired phone for a lot of its processing power and connectivity. Think of them right now as a powerful accessory, an extension of your phone that lives on your face, but the trajectory is clear. As the technology advances, as processors get smaller, batteries become more efficient, and augmented reality software gets more sophisticated, we'll see more and more functions migrate from the phone to the glasses. We're already seeing the integration of AI assistants. Soon, you might be able to look at a foreign language menu and see an instant translation, or look at a landmark and get historical information overlaid in your vision. The ultimate goal for many of these companies is a standalone device that can do everything your phone can, and more. A device that lets you make calls, browse the web, use apps, and experience rich, interactive, augmented reality, all without ever reaching into your pocket. Of course, there are huge challenges to overcome. Privacy is a massive one. What are the rules when someone can record anything they see? How do we ensure our data is secure? And then there's the social acceptance factor. Will we all be comfortable talking to our glasses in public? These are important questions that we, as a society, will need to figure out as this technology becomes more common. But the potential is undeniable. The shift from a device in our hand to a device on our face represents a fundamental change in how we interact with technology and with each other. It promises a future where technology is less of a distraction and more of an integrated, helpful companion. So, the next time you see someone wearing a pair of seemingly normal glasses, take a closer look. You might just be looking at the beginning of the end for the smartphone as we know it, and the dawn of a new, more heads-up era of computing. What do you think? Are you ready to trade your screen for a set of smart specs? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you're excited about the future of tech, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one. We'll see you in the next one.